This is a quick before video of HD Natural going down. It's biggie, 150 metres. We're ripping up an existing floor. Looks like it's put down to sell. This is called How Not to Lay a Floor. So they used the tinfoil underlay, an 8mm laminate, not waterproof, so it's got water damage all over the place. Then they quadded the lovely skirts, which are going to take them off. They're probably pine at worst, maybe Tassie oak. This floor goes long ways, and then they've transitioned into this and put it a completely different way. I've never seen that in my life. And then they've gone into the hall again and gone long ways. And then they get to the end of the hall and they've gone the other way. And in this bedroom, they've changed direction. It's hilarious. So yeah, it's just all the floors starting to buckle and come up, and yeah. So we're going to take all the quad off, all the skirts off, do a proper job, and smash down the lovely natural. So how not to lay a floor, and definitely don't use Bunnings trims. They're ghastly. Oh yeah, we're going in the kitchen as well. Just rip this lino up.